Hey, guys. So, Xiaomi is working on a radical flagship that is gonna shock the world. So in 2019, we saw a rebirth of the most generated Xiaomi series, the Mi Mix with the Mix Alpha. The Mi Mix Alpha here wrap around display 180% screen to body ratio, and the user interface was just exceptional. Mixed 4 came after 2 years, had an amazing no-notch, no-hole all-screen display with car veggies. Following the Mix 4, Xiaomi decided to cancel the Mix 5 in favor of Xiaomi Ultra series, and now we know that was a massive news coming in from DCSA. Xiaomi is working on a radical flagship, and it is none other than the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. So GSM China found important details about the Xiaomi 14 Ultra code named Aurora in Hypervest source code, and Xiaomi is working on 2 Xiaomi 14 Ultra variants, code name Aurora and Aurora Pro. The Aurora Pro is coming with under-display selfie shooter, so there won't be any notch or hole for camera. It is gonna be a full screen panel. Xiaomi might use 4th gen under-screen camera technology. They let the light pass through the sub-pixel gap or selfies, and at the same time retaining the same pixel density, same brightness level, color, gamut, and color accuracy above the selfie shooter as the rest of the display. And not to mention, we'll have 4K support this time. Xiaomi is likely gonna use AI to enhance selfie shot from the camera under display. So, I guess, Xiaomi 14 Ultra will shoot some amazing images from the front camera. I know some of the selfie-centric audience is gonna be like, no, we want the best selfies and photos, and this why Xiaomi is gonna launch a less expensive Xiaomi 14 Ultra with selfie hole to the center. So, guys, cancelling the mixed liner was the right decision, because you now can focus on a single design, single flagship. The only change they have to do is to the front a selfie hole in the normal variant and an all-screen panel with some gap and sub-pixel so that it can still capture light for photos in the special edition Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Both are gonna have Qualcomm 8 Gen 3 chipset, 50 megapixel quad camera setup in a massive battery. The most exciting part is now that Mi Way is gone and we are Hypervester on top of Xiaomi phone, the experience is very premium. Their device is coming in April. So comment down your thoughts. Are you excited for this radical ship or not? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next one.